That's all we're doing. Okay, so we're going to do a couple more, and then I think we want to attempt, because this is really important. Um, this will form a big part of your exams. Okay, when you come to do them, it will form a big part. Maybe in a year's time or a couple of years' time, but it will form a big part. It's important you understand this. Okay, let's do a second question. Let's do a second question. Let's do x divided by 2, x by 2 minus x. Okay, talk me through it. I don't know what I'm doing. What do I need to do?
Multiply.
Multiply the denominators.
Yeah, by what?
Uh,
What am I aiming towards? What's the
You need to multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 2.
yeah, what am I aiming towards? I'm aiming towards 6, aren't I? I'm going to aim towards 6. Okay? Okay? So in order to get 6, what do I need to do? I need to multiply this by what? To get the
3.
denominator. Yep. And this one, what do I need to do to get this to 6?
Here.
By 2. Absolutely.
Put months on it. Because on the gets on it.
Let's rewrite this. Okay? Okay? And that by 2.
Wow.
What's that equal to then? So I've got 3x.
That equals to 3x over 6 minus 2x over 6.
Which is equal to
1x over 6.
perfect. Okay? So we're going to build up. We're going to build up the momentum now. We're going to start getting more and more complex stuff now. Build up. Yeah.
Sorry.
It's all right. Come on, please answer the question.
Because before I asked the question, then I remembered I asked and then I got the answer to it.
Okay. You understand this? Okay. So I'm
Yeah.
going to ramp it up now. I'm going to start going a little bit more faster. Okay. Right. Let's do. Let's do this one. Actually, let's do this one. Let's do 2b again. It's just a letter. Just an unknown entity. Don't worry about it.
2b over 7
What number am I aiming towards? What number? What's the factor that I'm aiming towards? What's the factor for 7 and 6?
42.
You are a genius. Absolutely. So let me just put that in a different number. Okay. So 42. Okay. So what do I need to do for a 7 to become a 42?
7 by 6 and 6 by 7.
Perfect. Does everybody understand that? Okay. All we're doing is rewriting stuff. We're not doing anything spectacularly complicated. We're just rewriting it. That's all we're doing. So when we rewrite this, okay, when we rewrite this, it just becomes a 6 outside, 2b plus, I've got to multiply this one by 7, and it's got to be a b over 6 over, oh, come on, Mr. Penn, why do you refuse to write a 6 today? There we go. So when I rewrite this now, I've got a 6b, sorry, a 6 times 2b is equal to
12b.
12b, and that becomes 42, because it's 6 times 7, okay, plus 7 times b is equal to,
7b.
and that also is 42 now. I can now add this up. What is that equal to, ladies and gentlemen? What's 12b plus 7b?
Yep. How is it 12b?
Because because here, I'll write it in red, okay? I've done the 6, so this becomes 6 times 2b.
So you're multiplying 6 by the whole bit.
Absolutely, correct, yeah. Okay, and then this bit here, I'll do it in orange, okay? This bit here becomes 6 times 7, which is equal to 42. Okay, I've just opened up the bracket because the 6 is outside. Okay, that's all I've done. Understand? I've got to do both the top and the bottom by 6. So 6 times 2b equals 12b. And then the 6 times 7 equals 42. And that's what I've shown you here. Okay? That makes sense? Leanne, you got your hand up. Leanne, you've got your hand up. Is there a question?
Oh, you put it down.
Okay, all right. Is that clear, whoever asked that question? Okay,
Yeah.
all right. What is 12b plus 7b then?
19b.
19b divided by,
42.
that is your answer. Okay, we're going to go a little bit faster. We're going to do some more complex stuff now. So let us just move.
Now can you make one of us do it? The question by ourselves.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I want to pick who wants to do it. Who wants to do it? And who's going to help him or her? Let's do the question. Let me write out the question first. 5z. Again, it's a different number. Who cares? 5z over 6 minus 4z divided by 9. First thing. What number? What's the highest common factor we're aiming towards? What's the denominator we're aiming towards?
54.
Could be simpler than that. What's the number?
54.
No, simpler than that. You're right, but it needs to be simpler.
18.
18. 18.
You have to look at the smallest. If first you have to look for a smaller one, if they're not, and you times it by each other.
Absolutely. That's it. Okay? We've gotta get into these methods of doing this. So let's do that. So what do I need to do to the 6 to get it to a denominator of 18? What do I need to do to it? I need to multiply by what?
Multiply by 3.
The 9. What do I need to do?
Multiply by 2.
So let's open up this equation. Sorry, this expression. Let me just open it up. I'm going to rewrite it in there. And to be honest, guys, the only reason I'm writing it out this way is to simplify it and to move a little bit slower. Okay, so that you get it. So I've got to put a 3 outside, a whole bracket. It's going to be a 5z, and it's a 6. I'm going to do a minus, and it's 2 times this, 4z divided by 9. Let's rewrite it. So what's 3 times 5z?
Wait, can you wait one second?
Somebody else take over now. I'm not doing it. I'm tired.
So then you do. It's going to be 3. No.
Yeah.
So 15z.
Yeah.
And over 18
Yeah.
minus 8z
Yep.
over 18.
Yep. Which is equal to?
You get 7z over 18. 7z over 18.
That's it.
That's your answer.
That's the answer. That's the
Since
answer.
you know how to do the technique,
Yep.
when you know how to, when
That's it. We're going to do a
you
few
know
more
how to
questions.
do the technique, it's easier to work out.
It is. We're going to do a few more questions, okay? Don't worry about overreading. Let's do a few more questions.
It doesn't
Repeat.
matter if it goes time. We have to understand it fully.
So we're gonna do a little more complex ones now. Again, we're just extending the work. X minus 2 over 5 plus x plus 1. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to put brackets around them. And I'll explain why in a minute. 3. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's continue. Please, what number are we aiming towards? Highest common factor. What are we aiming for? The denominator. What are we aiming for?
15.
Yep. Okay. Okay. So, what do I do? Let me rewrite this then. Okay, I'm just going to rewrite it. Somebody else. Who wants to have a go at attempting this? What do I need to do to this?
Can I?
Moss, come on. Yep, come on. Come on. I think, was it the Yukapoor who wanted to do it? Come on.
It's 5 times 3, and then 3 times 5.
Before you jump on, so yeah, this one will be times by 3, correct? And this one will be times by 5, okay? So let's open it up. Come on, I'm not doing it. You guys are.
Do 5. No. Sorry. Let me just look here.
I'm going to put a 3 outside.
We have a 3 outside,
Yeah.
and then the x minus 2 over 5.
Yep.
And then in the next one you put a 5 outside, and then you put x plus 1 over 3. And then you rewrite the question,
Yep.
which is going to be
What's 3 times x minus 2 then? Open that up first.
I'm not sure.
So what we do is, let's just move slowly again. We're going to move slowly. We're just going to take a 3 times x plus 3 times minus 2. Okay? We're going to do that
X
first.
minus 2.
So it's 3x. Okay? Okay, everybody understand that?
Yeah.
3x
Yep.
over
We've forgotten the number at the end. What's 3 times?
3x minus 2.
No. Time.
I mean positive plus no
Minus 6.
minus 6. Yeah, I forgot the name.
No problem, but don't forget again.
Over
Divided by?
15.
Divided by what's right?
15.
Perfect. Let's do the next
And
part.
then it would be plus.
Okay, hold on, just 1 second, just 1 second. I just want to make sure everybody understands that. So this bit here, okay,
People just laugh.
oh, don't worry. So this bit here is what I've shown here, okay? Right. Let's do the second part now. Second part is, there's a plus here, there's a plus here. Let's put a bracket around that again. I like brackets.
Can't see.
Let's open this up, please. This is an X, by the way. Horrible handwriting.
5x
Yeah.
plus 6.
No. What's 5 times 1?
Oh, it's times.
Yes.
Oh, it's 5.
Yes. Divided by 15. So let's add up all the x's. Let's add up all the x's. Let's add up all the x's. So how many x's have I got? Three plus 5.
Um, then that's gonna be
8x.
8x
minus 6 plus 5.
minus 6 plus 5. That's
Minus
gonna
1.
be, mm,
Perfect.
how is it minus 1?
Everybody understand that?
Okay,
You have
that's gonna be.
minus,
So,
yeah.
can you just go over the bit where minus 6 plus 5, that tiny bit there?
Yeah.
Like, how do you get minus 1?
Okay. We're at minus 6. Okay. This is minus 5. This is minus 4. This is minus 3. This is minus 2. This is minus 1. This is 0. That's the number line, okay? So we started the starting point I'm going to write in green. Okay. We started
But
off.
it says plus 5 and
No,
again,
just listen for just listen for a second.
but look,
You started off at minus 6 here. Okay. And minus 6, you started off here. Okay. And you then do, you're adding 5. Okay. So you're adding 5. Okay. Can you see that bit there? I'm adding a 5. So I've got a minus 6 plus 5. Plus and plus is just plus. So if I'm adding, which way do I go on the number line? Which way do I go? I go this way, don't I? So 1,
left,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
I end up at minus 1, which is what I've got here. Okay? You've got to know your number line. Okay? Please go through it. Okay?
Okay.
I think we need to do more examples next week. I was hoping we would move on to the complex stuff, but we're not going to. So we're going to do more examples. Can I leave you with some stuff, guys? First, actually, before we do that, can I have a show of hands? Who gets this? Who understands this now, today? I think a few people have left.
Now,
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Who gets this? At least sort of 50% of the stuff that you get. Okay.
only 3 people do.
Amar, what?
Amara,
Amar, Gurneet, Gurjot, and Gurneet, what parts don't you understand? You need to understand this. What bits don't you get about what we...
Gurdian, Gurney, and
Okay. Amar, you understand? Or is this a problem still? Hands up. All right. I think we will do more questions next week. Okay.
3.
If I can leave you with some stuff, guys, please examine the number line. Make sure you know it. Okay. Because we're going to do lots more examples of this form rather than the complex ones that we started off with next week, and then we're going to move on to the difficult stuff. But things are going to get really, really difficult very soon. You do need to know this. Okay. All right. Let's leave it there. You guys have worked really hard this morning. Please keep up the good work, and please ask questions. If you don't get it, put your hand up. That's what we're here for, to make sure you understand. Okay. And we're happy to take as much time as we need to. Okay. Right. Let's leave it there, guys. Have a great week, and we will catch up and we'll do more questions next week. But if you want to do more work during the week, go ahead and do it. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.